This video shows how to uninstall Angular CLI. So here we see our application, and in my application or my Windows machine there is, when I type in my VS Code ng version, then I see Angular CLI 18 is there, and I have problems with it, so I want to remove it, and therefore we say npm and then uninstall global at Angular CLI. Let's see if the version is still there. It's not there anymore, and I'm not sure if I also have to type and deinstall the Angular. It's up to date, and npm clean cache clean. So that's done for so far, and now we are reinstalling a lower version. So we say npm install global at Angular, and for my version I want version 16. So we say in here Angular and then CLI and then an add, and we say 16. They're missing the add. Angular CLI 16 and run. So, and now we do the version, and we have now still the version 18. So this is totally wrong. So, and when I checked up this stuff, then you also have to do uninstall the version and then install it. When you have it on global, you also should do it on uninstall the CLI in your project, and then install it global and local. So we do the installation again. So when we say ng version, nothing happens like this one. Now we have 14 because I already installed it in my local stuff and without the global. First uninstall everything, and then now we check the version again. You see it's not there anymore, and now we install it again, but we install the local version, in this case 14. And we also do it on install it global. So, and now when we check the version again, now we are on 14, right? Now we are here on 14, and we have a lot of other stuff installed there, but that's not the point of the for the moment. The CLI is the point.